at the forecast for the local area. Issued at 6:52 p.m. Thunderstorm warning for western Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, southern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Redbug, or near Whiteville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Bethel, Lake Waccamaw, Macatoka, Freeland, Hallsboro, Nakina, Redbug, Old Dock, Exum, Molly, Bug Hill, Williams, Pireway, Dula, Ash, Crusoe Island, and Brunswick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area.